Hello all, this is another Railbox 200 Productions. I just wanted to give a quick update video of the business room that I am working on. As you can see here, I have the original floor pulled up, joints. You can see the floor joints. It was filled with the blown-in insulation, but I'm going to re-insulate when I'm done. You can see over there all the insulation, brown stuff. I'm going to use that to fill in an area where you see it from there to there. If you actually look there, you can see the round part. It used to be the old cistern. And they squared off the porch. So there's a lot of draft that comes in the area. There's sand and concrete between the two parts. So I'm gonna fill it in with all that blown insulation so it'll seal it up with less draft. I'm putting that, you see right there, my cross beam. That is a 2x4 4x4 beam that I made. There's two 2x4s together with one on top. Putting in for extra support because there was not one there. There's one there that you can see. That goes all the way across. The plywood sitting over. And then there's the new one that I'm putting in. There's two 2x4s hooked together below the one on top. These old houses, they just sit on the cement, they're not hooked to anything. When I get done, they will be hooked excuse me, to the side of the house. There will be boards in between these and then screwed to the concrete so they're not wobbly anymore. I've been working on the door a little bit. You can see the gap under there. But that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoy. Thank you for watching, and bye now.